think we're just about there. Just about there now. So close that off, hopefully. Darn. Oh, blooming typical, it's just started to rain. I'm having a nightmare. Hello everyone, welcome to the nightmare that is Strove Tuesday. How's your work? This is take 3 or 4, I can't remember now. It's been an absolute nightmare. I couldn't believe it. I started off with a paraffin stove and I thought, yeah, I'll do it on a paraffin stove today, that'll be really cool. I couldn't get any pressure in it. Couldn't get the blooming thing to light for love nor money, so what I thought I'd do, I get the faithful old Firebox nano out. The idea was to quickly come out, make a couple of pancakes, and it's turned into a blooming nightmare. But that's fine, you know, it is what it is. Wait for that to get going. Whilst that's firing itself up, I wanted to show you this. I've had a delivery. Yeah, you can see it soaking wet. It started pouring down with rain. So I've abandoned everything and come undercover. I've had a delivery of bits from Firebox, which I can't get in the UK. So I got these all the way from America. I'm looking forward to using these in future videos. This was supposed to be a nice little video. As I said, it's turning into a blooming nightmare. But it's okay. Oh, that's getting hot. There we go. Filming today's been so dreadful, anything could happen. There we go. I think I'm going to call this video the Nightmare of Strove Tuesday. It's gone absolutely blooming crazy. I went travelling for a year or so, and the only cooking stoves I had was a Firebox Nano and a honey stove, and they worked absolutely fantastic for 2 of us. They performed absolutely brilliantly. What alcohol stoves did I take? I took a Trangia, also took Evernew, and I also took a white box stove. I know it seems a bit excessive, but they all cook at different rates. It's going okay so far. Here comes the rain again. Like I said, I've had an absolute nightmare today. Screw it. Let's see if we can turn him over a bit. Oh, that was a bit of a cheat. But we got there. Let's keep him going. Oh my word. I've zoomed you in on this other setup I got here. These are the lovely Firebox plates, and I got a little Trangia stand there going with the Trangia on, and this is Now a hot plate ready for me pancake. Like I said, today's been an absolute nightmare. Can't believe it. Don't need too much on there. If you live in America, so I know I've got a nice lot of American friends watch, you have pancakes all the time. Over here we don't seem to have pancakes very much. But as it's Strove Tuesday, it's a religious thing. I'm not religious, but I thought I'd go for it. There we are. I thought it would be nice to try this as a hot plate. Oops. Keep him nice and warm while I'm waiting for the other. Ooh. That's working beautifully. This is a Primus pan, by the way. They're absolutely excellent. I've had this for years. As long as you don't overheat them and do anything stupid, they last and last and last. Just about out of alcohol now, so I got turning quick. Too late. Like I said, I'm having a nightmare today. Let's fire him and finish him off on the Trangia. It's not very creative, just a bit of sugar and a bit of lemon, but that's all I like. I don't need anything too fancy. Oh. You can really see from that sizzle how well that's working as a hot plate. I'll know that, so I just burnt my hand. Well, that was the nightmare on Strove Tuesday, everyone. Just about everything's gone blooming wrong, but it's turned out okay. I just wanted to say thanks to all my new subscribers. I feel very privileged that you choose to subscribe to me and that you watch my videos. So thank you very much. Don't forget to tune in next week for something that will be far more comprehensible and make a lot more sense, and hopefully it won't be a complete and utter nightmare. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.